Hey guys, and welcome back to another Toyscoveries video. Look what I have here. We're gonna unbox this Lego Duplo Imagine and Create set. Who's excited? Well, I am, because with this box that has like a gazillion of Legos, well, realistically it has 80 pieces. But you can create a helicopter, a fish, and that kind of looks like Nemo, a clownfish, a heart, a flower, and a duck. Let's see what else. Oh, another fish over here. This looks like a flower, maybe. This is a boat. This is another tower. I'm not really sure what that is. Maybe a house with some smoke coming out of the chimney. This over here is a duck, a tulip, a red tulip. So many things. So let's get building. Let's open up the box. Wow, look at all those pieces. So many colors as well. Let's dump it off. Whoa, you see? Wow, there's so many pieces. Let's open each bag carefully so we don't lose any pieces and see what we can build. This should be a booklet to show you how to assemble. There we go. No scissors needed there. Oh, it shows you can make a duck, a heart, a house with a chimney and smoke coming out of it. This is a bird. This is a toucan. I don't know what kind of bird this is, but this is a toucan. And a clownfish. Looks like Nemo. Have you guys seen the movie Finding Nemo or Finding Dory? And this is a helicopter. So it's pictures that we can refer to, and it can help us assemble different things. Let's start with the duck. So we're going to gather, let's see what color pieces we need. We need a yellow piece with an eye, a red piece for the beak, 1, 2, 3 yellow pieces, and 1 orange for the feet. So let's try to find those pieces in our pile. We're gonna open this bag. Seems like there's a lot of yellow pieces here and an orange one. So most of our duck pieces are here. We're gonna need one of these. We're going to need one of these. Put it over there. And then this piece goes over here. Found it. We have our red piece, and we're going to stick it over here. There we go. And now we need a piece for the eye. You see over here, we need a yellow piece with an eye. Here it is. So we're gonna snap this on like that. Oh, but what's missing? This piece, this orange piece for the feet. Here it is. This is the piece we were looking for. This orange piece is for the feet. And we have to click it in here. There we go. And we've made a duck. It has yellow, red for the beak, and orange for the feet. Quack, 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 says a duck. So we'll set it to the side. And our next creation is this heart. So we're going to need a lot of red and a lot of pink pieces. Let's try to gather them. So we have all our red pieces and all our pink pieces that we need to create this wonderful heart right here. So let's get building. We're gonna first start from the bottom and move up to the top. We're gonna do our base, which is a pink piece, and then we're gonna add our red. There. Wow! Our red and pink heart is completed. Now let's see, do they look alike? They look the same. That's awesome. We created a heart. So we'll set this to the side. And let's see what's next. We did the duck. We did the heart. Now, 2 birds and a house. Our first bird is a toucan because it has a large beak, and I'm guessing it's a toucan or a pelican. A toucan and a pelican usually have large beaks. Here's a picture of a toucan, and here's a picture of a pelican that you can see what they look like in real life. So we're going to try to build this, but I think we only have 1 yellow eye, so we're going to borrow it from the duck we made. In order to make this bird, we need a blue piece for the leg, for the feet, 2 white pieces for the body, a blue piece for the wing, 2 orange pieces for the beak, and the yellow eye that we're going to borrow from the duck that we made earlier. So let's gather our pieces. Now that we've gathered our pieces in order to make our first bird over here, which I think is either a toucan or a pelican, we're going to get to building it. We're going to start from the bottom, moving all the way up. So we're going to start from his feet, his blue feet. And then we're going to move with our white piece, and then another white piece for the wings, and then orange for the beak, and then another orange for the rest of his beak, and a blue for the feather and his wings, and a yellow piece for the eye. So we made a bird out of these Lego pieces. Isn't that awesome? And I think we made it perfectly. So we're going to put this to the side and move on to our next bird. Let's gather up all our pieces. Okay, so now it seems like we have all the pieces that we need to make our second bird. We're going to start again from the bottom and work our way up to the top. So we're going to start with our black piece and build up. We're going to use 2 red pieces to snap them in like that. And then our white piece that's going to go over here. Our white piece. And then black for the wings, red for the beak, and yellow for the eye. We made a bird again. There it is. Oh, it looks the same. How awesome is that? Okay, let's move on to our next creation. Is this house, and it has a chimney with smoke coming out of it. So let's try and create this. We're gonna gather again all our pieces. We're gonna need blue pieces, purple piece, 2 red pieces, another blue piece, and a white piece for the smoke coming out of the chimney. So let's get building. We're going to start again from the bottom and work our way to the top. We're going to put the 2 sides, and then we're going to fit our purple piece here and another blue piece. And we're going to use the red pieces for the roof. There we go. So we've made a house so far. And now we're going to put the chimney and some smoke coming out. We've made the house. It's over here. That's amazing. So we're going to set this to the side and move on to our next creation, which is this over here. This looks like a clownfish. Usually clownfish have orange, black, and white colors. First, we have to gather all our pieces. We're going to need orange pieces, black, white, orange, and an orange eye. Let's get started. Okay, so all our pieces are gathered. So now we can start building the clownfish from the tail and then move up to the head. We're going to connect these pieces like this to make the tail, and now the black piece to make the body, another white piece over here, now the eye, and the rest of the head. Oh, how cute! We made a clownfish, just like the picture. Our last creation is this helicopter. I'm so excited to build this. It has, let's get building. In order to make this, we're gonna need 1, 2, 3 yellow pieces. This yellow piece over here, 4 with 2 people on it, a white piece, a blue piece, and a yellow rotor. Let's get started. Now let's gather up our pieces. So we've gathered up all our pieces and we can get building now. We're gonna start again from the bottom and move up to build our helicopter. Right here, we're gonna need this piece to go over here like that. Our white piece on top, and then our piece with the people on it How cool is that they have people on it? And then we're gonna need the yellow piece right here, and the blue piece over here, and the rotor. Wow! You guys, it actually spins! We've made a helicopter, just like the photo. These were a few of the creations that you can make with this Lego Duplo box set. Isn't that awesome? The possibilities are endless. This box set comes with so many Lego pieces that you can create anything using your imagination. These are just a few things that we were able to create using the examples that the box set came with. We made a bird, a heart over here with some of the red and pink pieces. We made a house with a chimney and smoke coming out of it, a helicopter with a real rotor, a clownfish, and we still have lots of leftover pieces to create more things. I don't have much time in this video left to create more things, but stay tuned because I have a lot more Lego Duplo box sets to unbox with you guys. So stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe and like this video for more fun educational videos like this one. Until the next one, guys. Bye!